we have said with respect to resentencing that our position is not no or it's not never, it's not yet. And the reason we said that is that the Menendez brothers have failed to come clean with the full extent of their criminal conduct, their cover-up, their lies, and their deceit over the past 30 years. As we've explained, the Menendez brothers persist for 30 years as recently as 2024 in insisting that the reason that they killed their parents, and when I say their parents, I mean their mother and their father, is not because of the sexual abuse. When they testified at trial, they were asked that question specifically. Was sexual abuse the reason that you killed your mother and their father? The answer was no. Just when you would think you would be on your best behavior, as a court is going to consider your resentencing motion, Lyle Menendez smuggles a cell phone into the facility. And why is that important? Well, a cell phone is not a monitored device by the prison. Every single communication that you have, if you want to speak on a phone or a tablet, there's actually a recording saying it's being monitored by the prison, but not if you bring in a burner cell phone, which is exactly what he did, and he got caught. Same thing with Eric Menendez. Another, in January of 2025, he goes ahead and violates the prison's rules and brings in a cell phone as well. He also admits to engaging in the purchasing of drugs with other inmates, in years before helping inmates engage in tax fraud. Again, what the psychologist looking at this said is that this shows that notwithstanding those rehabilitative efforts, their risk level is no longer low. It is moderate. There's a moderate risk of violence because if the Menendezes are released, they're going to head and not be in a highly structured setting like a prison. And if they can't follow the rules in prison, then the confidence level of these psychologists have dropped on whether or not they will now pose a risk of violence in society. Accept full responsibility for all their actions and cover-ups. It's not my concern. It's the expert psychologists' concern in prison that have risen their risk level up to that moderate level. We've also added to it a whole range of lies that they have told for the last 30 years and have never come clean with, to again show that they have not fully accepted responsibility for all their criminal conduct, and in our minds not fully then rehabilitated and do constitute the risk for violence as well.
How are you feeling about taking the stand?
I'm very nervous. Thanks for asking.
How do you feel? Are you hopeful?
We're hopeful. Sí, es un día muy importante.
Did you ever think we would get to this day?
¿Qué esperas para el día de hoy? 3 years ago, I would have said no. So we're very grateful for this opportunity.
No more.
Okay, thank you.